chilla. You can see the recipe here. Onion, carrot, tomato, capsicum, coriander, green chili. These are all finely chopped. I have taken one bowl. In that I have taken half cup of oats, one finely chopped carrot, one finely chopped onion, big onion, one capsicum, finely chopped, tomato, green chili 1 or 2, coriander, mix it well, palak, so now we can mix it well. One and a half small spoon coriander powder, small spoon turmeric, cumin 2 small spoon, red chili powder 2 spoon. This is a Kashmiri lal. You can use any red chili powder. Salt as per the taste. Garam masala 1 small spoon. This is oats 2 cup, oats powder 2 cups, small cup of oats. This is 1 cup of multigrain atta. Now mix it well. Add water slowly. The chilla won't be very thin, so slowly add water. We have to see the consistency. Mix it well. So keep this batter aside 15 to 20 minutes. So chillas will come good. Now 10 to 15 to 20 minutes done. So we can see the batter now. If you want, you can add water more. Add as per the requirement. Don't add at a time. I think this consistency is fine. Now we can prepare the chilla. First on the gas, keep the pan or tawa. It is already kept, it is hot. Apply the oil. Now keep it. Spread it slowly. You cannot do like dosa. This is spread it slowly. Close the lid in 2 to 3 minutes. Let it cook it properly. Now flip it. One side it is cooked, on another side it has to be cooked. So our chilla is ready. Now you can see our healthy chillas are ready to eat. You can eat with coconut chutney or pickle or tomato ketchup or butter. This is the healthy multigrain chilla. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.